Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the Forex market. It happens so that we have very similar setups as on the euro currency and on the Great British pound. So today I would like to show you this picture from the Great British pound point of view. Here are some advantages compared to the situation in the euro currency, so we have some differences. But in general this is the same setup, so you could choose what particular step you would like to trade, and actually what you like more in current circumstances. Speaking about the euro currency, you could see that the general trading plan that we have discussed with the downward continuation based on engulfing works nice. Actually, the market has completed its minimum target. So you could see that on a 4-hour time frame chart, market hits the predefined confidence support, one that we talked about yesterday, 1 rate 16, 1 rate 39, 1 rate 40. Now is coming into it, and this is in fact an area that we intend to keep an eye on for possible bread and butter buy trade. So particularly in this area, and our next stage is to watch for possible bullish patterns that might be forming around it on the longer time frame. On the hourly chart, you could see that the hand shoulders that we have discussed, and we suggested that the market shows bearish signs and still that's be prepared for a drop, now is working, and in fact you could see that mostly it is completed. At least it has reached the minimum requirement target. So AB CD leg to the downside pattern has been completed, so it means that it's very gradual, so very harmonic. You can see that the speed of the AB and CD leg are absolutely similar, and this is great. In fact, it means that on the euro currency now we have agreement at confidence support. This is really good area to keep an eye on the possible bullish patterns, what will happen around it. Meantime, on the Great British pound, we have same upside hand and shoulders pattern. If you remember, we talked about this many times. It looks much better than the euro currency. But the difference with the euro is that if euro has shown a downside turn somewhere around this level, for the Great British pound hand and shoulders, it's pretty big room until the target, and it means that it's take the pulse somewhere in the middle of the upper direction, in the middle of the CD leg. This combination is usually better for a bread and butter trade, because bread and butter is a continuation pattern. Besides, you could see that the cable feels a bit better than the euro, showing stronger upper direction and shows better resistance to any downside pressure, which is also good for consideration of the bullish bread and butter trade. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, market also is coming to the confidence support, and it's also nature support for these previous tops. If you contract the chart, you could see that here is also other. Actually, this is a kind of the neckline somewhere in this range. There's a few spikes here around it, but nearest one stands right here. It's very close to the confidence. We do not have on the euro on the cable hand shoulders pattern. In such circumstances, when you can't estimate extension by the ABCD pattern, you could use the extension of the most recent swing. So I usually do this when I do not have proper ABCD pattern here. And in this case, you could get following picture. On the hourly chart, you could see that extension, this most recent upward swing. Actually, you could recognize here even some minor butterfly. This is ultimate target of the butterfly. Stands precisely at the same area. It's around 28.70. Here is also you could recognize minor butterflies forming. And this ratio is very typical for a hand shoulders pattern. It means that the bread and butter on a cable might start by forming this hand and shoulders pattern on the hourly chart. If this is really will be so, it means that the entry point should be somewhere with the right arm around 129 area. So that's particular configuration that we could try to get. On the euro currency, you can see picture stands a bit different. So there is also, there is for now no sign even on the possible reversal. Markets just start flirting with the confidence area. While on Great British pound, definitely we see some slowdown. I wouldn't be surprised if we'll have this kind of the divergence, which might be actually reliable in the current circumstances. It's just because market stands in the confidence, and so it might be important. Indeed, you could see that if market will returns up, obviously this will be some bullish divergence with the Macedon indicator and so on. So that in short what we have. So they are similar, but still some important differences exist, and you could just choose what you like more.